Oh, that's incredible.
Yeah, he's gonna take off in a minute.
Okay, I'm
So-
gonna
All right.
watch.
All right.
Okay, so
Have you flown it before?
yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you want to say a little something? Okay.
Yes, my name is Alex, and here again, I'm with my Sky Crane, homemade. This is a RC cargo airplane. It has slats, it has flaps, it has and a whole bunch of things on it. And I'm gonna just make ready to do my first video flight.
So what you got there?
This is my Radio Link 10 channel radio, and this is what controls everything on the airplane. This is my ailerons. Back on the back is my elevator. I have my rotor. My rotor is connected to the motor. And what else? It has a whole bunch of things on it.
Okay.
Let's do this. Now I'm gonna land it. I'm gonna land it right now. I'm gonna drop the parachute. Just record the parachute. Okay, now back to me. I'm gonna land. Back to you. Be nice, be nice, be nice, be nice.
Woohoo!
Thank you. Thank you very much. Just got there.